This is a room tour of a room at Mohegan Sun in the Aspire building. I've always wanted to stay in this one and they're always sold out. But today they had in a room available. We'll start quickly with the bathroom. You have a nice bathroom. You have your toiletries, extra toiletries in the bathtub area. And let's move along. You have a closet. As soon as you enter with the safe, extra stuff. And going into this beautiful room. Look at that bed. I know if I even sit on that bed, I'm going to fall asleep immediately. But we have our bed. They gave us Fiji water, complimentary when we checked in. And let's see, so we got our alarm clock, phone, beautiful artwork on the wall, king size bed, nice TV. Now let's just see if we have a fridge. Yes, there's a refrigerator inside there, little mini bar area, coffee maker, ice, more Mohegan Sun water, which is everywhere here. So we have a desk, a couch, and a live plant, which is really nice. More artwork, and let's look at the view. Nice New England view. We're in Connecticut. We're about 10 minutes away from the Foxwoods Casino. There's a view.